Hello, sixth grade. We are going to look at how to improve your presentations with using our PowerPoint skills. So far in PowerPoint, you have learned a few different tricks to help you improve what you've done so far. The first trick was to use bullets. Originally, when you started with PowerPoint, you had long paragraphs, and so the bullets kind of helped you organize those paragraphs, make them a little bit easier. But there's still a lot of information on that slide for your audience to be looking at. And the temptation for you as a presenter is to do nothing but read off those slides. And we've talked about that's a big no-no. But when you still have this much information on a slide, you leave the audience with only a few choices. One, to read the slide and ignore you, the presenter, and what you're saying, or ignore the slide and the information there and only focus on the presenter. Or the third option, trying to go back and forth. Well, that's a lot for our brains to handle and to absorb all that information. So then we taught you how to take that information and maybe put it into a chart form. Notice there's less text on the slide, but there's still quite a bit there. And you're still giving your audience a temptation to read more than listen to you. So we gave you a third option of just our images. And these images are great. There's no reading, but we might want to tweak it just a little bit more than that. So a new strategy that we're going to look at today is kind of combining some of those things. So the new strategy is in two parts. One, choose your image very, very carefully. Make sure that your image is something that's going to capture the audience's attention and relate to the information that you're sharing. Once you have that image that you want, or the graphic you choose, then just add a very simple statement, sentence, phrase, whatever you wish, that's going to help prove the point or help share that vital information that you want to share. Then everything else that you want to inform them of about this topic can come directly from you. So they're giving you the focus rather than just the slides. But this image will stay with them and help them remember the information that you're given. So taking this new strategy and putting it into your new presentation is what's coming next. So you will be doing your own project starting very soon, your own research project where we're going to create slides very much like this. So this example here on the top part, you see the slide I just showed you with your image and very simple statement, but down below you have your presenter notes. And those presenter notes, which we kind of looked at in our last lesson, is going to help you keep all that other information that's not on your slide available to you. Just you can see it, and you can have all the information that you need to present to your audience without overwhelming them with a lot of text to see. So we are going to move forward in the next lesson with taking this new strategy and putting it into practice in your presentation. So good luck. We'll see you on the next lesson.